Hi, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when screenshots are not getting saved in pictures folder. Normally, when you use the shortcut to take screenshots on your laptop or on your desktop computer, it should normally come to here. Here it must create a folder with the name screenshots automatically and save all the screenshots inside that folder. But now it does not save the screenshots automatically. How to fix it? For this, you have two solutions. The easiest one is to open an app such as Paint. When you open Paint, you can here paste it. Ctrl V, it pastes the screenshot. Now this is the screenshot that I took using the shortcut Windows key plus print screen, but we want that the system or your computer saves the screenshots automatically inside the screenshots folder inside this pictures folder. So to do that, you need to open the snipping tool. Now this is the snipping tool on Windows 11. On Windows 10, you also have another snipping tool. When you type snipping tool, you will also see another snipping tool with another logo. You can change the settings in one of them or both of them and it will work. So what is the setting that you need to change? Click on the three dots to go to the settings, and here is the settings. You can also maximize it. As you see here, automatically save original screenshots. It is turned off. You need to turn it on. So turn on. Now it also gives you the option to change the folder where you want to save the screenshots. But you can change it. Select pictures and create here a new folder with the name screenshots. So this is the new location for the screenshots, and let's try it out. So here we have screenshots. If I use Windows key plus print screen, it takes a screenshot and saves it automatically. There is also something important to tell you. If your screenshots are saved automatically somewhere else and you want that it gets saved inside the pictures folder, then you can go to that directory, right click on it, click properties, go to location, and then click on restore default. It will restore it to the default location, which is the screenshots folder inside the pictures folder, and then click on apply, click on OK. That's it guys, I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. I have published many useful, helpful courses, tutorials, tips, tricks, hacks that can help you with your career, with your studies, with your daily life. So watch also my other videos. Take care and have beautiful times.